Hi everyone! Today, I'll walk you through the scheduler feature in the Emma platform. The scheduler helps you plan, configure, and automate tasks across your cloud environment, ensuring efficient resource management with minimal manual intervention. Step 1. Navigating to the scheduler. To get started, go to All Projects, select a project, and navigate to the Scheduler tab. From here, you can create a new schedule by clicking Add Schedule. Step 2. Configuring the schedule. Let's say we want to automate the resizing of virtual machines based on Emma's cost optimization recommendations. First, we'll name the schedule. I'll call it Resize Recommendations. Next, we choose an action from the drop-down list. In this case, I'll select Apply Resize Recommendations. Now, let's select the virtual machines we want to apply this schedule to. I'll pick 3 VMs from our list. Step 3. Setting the execution time. We'll now set the date and time. I'll schedule it for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Since we want this action to be recurring, we'll configure it to repeat every day at 10 a.m. Step 4. Finalizing the schedule. Once everything is set, we save the schedule, and that's it. The task is now automated, ensuring our virtual machines are resized based on optimized recommendations without manual effort. And that's it! Your schedule is now set, and Emma will automatically handle resource optimization for you.